Hi everyone, I'm Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another video. Time right now is 7:30. I'm all dressed and ready to work out. Feeling much better today. So yeah, let's get started with the day. So it's almost 9. Just got done with my workout. आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया. We started at 8:15. अभी 9 बजने में 10 मिनट की देर है. So yeah. Post workout, I will have a fruit. I think I'll have apple or quinoa or pomegranate. I have 3 options only right now, so I'll decide between that. Feeling much better. Feeling really nice now. It's 9:15 for breakfast today. I'm having muesli and that's all. Also, the muesli that we have been told to take is from a brand called Yoga Bar. It was my first time that I tried that one and it's really nice. It has like all the fruits and nuts, like it's like ample quantity of nuts and fruits with it. And also, if you don't know, I've been told this, that cornflakes are super unhealthy, which I didn't know. I always had the feeling that cornflakes comes in a healthier side. While growing up, at least, बाद में तो clear हो गया था that it doesn't. So yeah, so that's the fact that cornflakes, if you think that cornflakes is healthy, it is not. It is not healthy at all. When I asked the person that can I eat cornflakes, and he said very clearly that it's better that you do not have a breakfast rather than eat cornflakes. So I think it's that unhealthy. So anyways, there's been a lot of debate about the brands who offer muesli कि कौन से healthy हैं, किसी में sugar है, किसी में नहीं है, blah blah blah. So we have been told to have Yoga Bar and I think it is really good. So yeah, if you're looking for a brand to try out muesli, I think Yoga Bar is the one that you should give it that you should try because it's really nice. At least I liked it, and it does have like a lot of flavors. They have a lot of flavors to offer. So yeah. They have to wear their favorite dress today and they have to talk about their favorite dress. So it's 2 o'clock right now. I'm back on track. I'm having my lunch on time. I'm having 2 chapatis and I'm having a bowl of rajma. Salad is missing है. Most probably मैं इसमें salad add कर लूँगी. So yeah, that's my lunch for today. So time right now is 5:15. I am having a small cup of cold coffee, like एकदम छोटू mug of cold coffee with 1 walnut. Also, my diet is gonna get changed. I'm super excited about that. I spoke to the person we are consulting to and I told him that. So my birthday is like nearing and my birthday is on 6th of October. It's coming really soon. And I told him that please do something. Just do something. Make me lose a bit more of weight. So he said, if you're ready to push that extra mile, I'll give you the new diet and you can try it. So yeah, I'm excited about it and I hope it shows the result and I hope I'm able to maintain it and fingers crossed ये डाइट करने के बाद ऐसा ना हो कि वो बर्थडे पे खा लूँ और वेट डबल गेन हो जाए बट I'll make sure that that does not happen. In fact, he'll also make sure that it does not happen. So yeah, I'm excited for the new diet. I'm excited that I'll be able to lose a bit more of weight before my birthday. Both the kids are sleeping, so I'm going to enjoy my coffee and I'll see you at dinner. So it's Saturday today. I forgot to vlog anything after evening, but it's Saturday and it's my break day and me and Kemaira are doing drawing. Yeah. I'm just like coloring because it's a good activity. I love to draw, I love to color. It just gives me a lot of peace and it helps me relax, so I love to do that. Also, my new diet plan is here, so we are kind of trying to do like a detox for my body, but not like not eating detox because I have major acidity issues, so I cannot do not eating anything, but we are trying to do something new which I'll share with you from tomorrow onwards, and we are hoping that it will help me to reach my goal a bit quicker and I'll look my best for my birthday. At least not what I want to be, like it's a long journey, but still like somewhere nearby. So yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Meena. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another video. आज है Sunday. Date is 19th of September. So yeah, मैंने बीच में vlogging को break दिया था kind of because I felt that it was getting like very monotonous and it was also getting a bit hard for me to like keep up पुराने vlogs के साथ because I was more interested कि मैं आज अगर vlog shoot कर रही हूँ तो मैं कल उसको upload कर पाऊँ like on a daily basis. I think that connects better. At least that's what I feel. Any which ways, today is Sunday, we have a lot of work to do. Today I'm not specifically following my diet because from tomorrow we are trying something new. So for 5 days I'm gonna like shake up my body so that we kind of get result because we have decided that my birthday is so nearing and because first month में मैंने already इतना weight loss किया था तो second month में सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वेट लॉस होना इज़ अ बिट डिफ़िकल्ट. इंच लॉस होते हैं, वेट स्टैगनेंट होता है जब आपने ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट मंथ में वेट लॉस किया है. आई नो दैट एंड आई डोंट हैव एनी ड्रीमी एक्सपेक्टेशन. आई नो द रियलिटी ऑफ इट कि हाउ इट वर्क्स. पहले मंथ में अगर आपने 6 kgs लॉस किया है तो सेकेंड मंथ में आप 6 kgs वापस लॉस नहीं करेंगे. स्टैगनेंट होगा, मसल मास बिल्ड होएगा, आपके इंचेस लॉस हो सकते हैं बट द वेट स्केल पे आपको नहीं दिखेगा. And I know that very well. I am aware of it. I don't have any dreamy thoughts about weight loss. And it's only for 5 days and it's just a trial basis. We're just trying to see if I am able to cope up with it, if my body is reacting in a nice way with it. And we're trying to do as many different things as possible before my birthday so that my body can like shake up a bit and we can reach there, kind of. So yeah, for today it's a break. It's a normal regular day vlog. And yeah, I just want to take you along with it. So the time currently is 12:20. आज विसर्जन का मुहूर्त था तो हमारा विसर्जन जस्ट हो के हम लोगों ने जस्ट विसर्जन करा है. आज मुहूर्त था और जैसे आप लोगों को पता ही होगा तो उसके पहले हमें करना था 12:15 के पहले और फिर डायरेक्ट दिन का मुहूर्त था. तो अच्छे से विसर्जन करके सब करके सुबह मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था. आई जस्ट हैड कॉफ़ी. बाद में खाएंगे. तो यस 10 दिन कहाँ चले गए पता ही नहीं चला. गणपति बप्पा चले भी गए.